Hello viewers, welcome to Common Core and Gifted Learning. This is Sneha. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And if you are a returning viewer and if you have already subscribed to my channel, I just wanted to thank you and I'm really grateful for your likes and subscription. Today, I wanted to discuss about some questions that I often hear from parents about, brain foods and brain supplements. Before I begin, I just wanted to mention few disclaimers. Number one being that I am not a nutritionist or a doctor who actually has the license to even recommend anything. So this is something it personally worked for me and my family and my extended family. So I thought to share it with a hope that it might help somebody out there. So before trying or even thinking, if you're thinking to try them, please consult a physician or a nutritionist, because some of your kids might be allergic to that particular food or a particular ingredient in the supplement. And third thing is, like, I am not endorsing any brand or not getting paid by any company to say it out there. This is just what I use personally. I'm just sharing it without any filter, because this really helped me, and if and I hope it helps your child or you as well. So today's topic being 5 brain foods that every student should have. So the first food that I recommend will be nuts. And nuts, especially almonds, because they have like a lot of vitamin E and zinc, which apparently helps with the memory. So nuts is something that I incorporate in diet for my family and for my child, especially every day. Then we have fish and eggs. Fish and eggs, everybody knows it's the the natural source of omega and vitamin B12. And eggs have something called selenium. It helps with brain development and the neural development, and it also helps with the brain inflammation. So all the anxiety related to studies and stuff that kind of increases the brain inflammation, it does help to reduce kind of like all that and the brain fog. So this is something I try to regularly incorporate, if not every day. Next is olives. So olives have something called oleum in them. This is also a great brain food which helps with developing brain cells. And this olives is something I also incorporate in my diet every, if not every day, but regularly. Then we have avocados. Avocados has something called lutein. It's a carotenoid that already forms in our brain. So if you take this, it kind of supplements, that helps us with a lot of coordination and in studies and cognitive development. And then we have berries. Berries are full of antioxidant. It helps us to filter all kinds of toxications from our brain. This is something I would recommend every day, especially blueberries. So that was the end of today's video. Hope it helps you and your child, whoever you are watching this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I'll be happy to help you in whatever way is possible. So, and thanks for watching. See you until next time. Bye-bye.